Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have an API key and a working HTTP client. This lets you authenticate and test requests immediately. Next, pick how you will send files, direct upload, remote URL, or linking cloud storage, because each path changes the request body. Once chosen, craft a minimal post to /jobs or /convert with your key in the authorization header. This first call verifies connectivity and exposes required parameters, so you can iterate quickly and avoid later surprises. You now build the job. Combine an import task, a convert task, and an export task in one post to /jobs so CloudConvert handles orchestration for you. Specify the input and output formats, pick a preset or set fine-grained options like resolution and codec, and choose the conversion engine when available. This controls quality and speed. Once done, attach your file by URL, multi-part upload, or Cloud Connector ID, and poll job status. This keeps your app responsive while the server works. You finish by waiting for the job to reach finish status, then retrieve the output from the provided export URL or S3 location. Make sure to configure webhooks so your system gets notified and can download automatically. This prevents missed files. If something goes wrong, inspect the specific task logs returned by the job, verify the input format and any incompatible options, and retry with a smaller sample file to isolate issues. This diagnosis step usually reveals
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.